Item number? TCR, we have received a TCR. You can say day only, it may not be day only. It's just mistake. Good matters fix আছে তো problem mistake কিমান আছে 22nd. And the request made by learned counsel for the so and so 22nd. 22nd of this month. $33. Are you on entry? 33. C did not proceed. Issue reminder. Issue reminder. List accordingly. Yes, what? Pardon? 2nd of September. Will do. No, we have to pass the order, na? We can do 21. 22nd. সেইটো খোলা আছে কিন্তু বন্ধ করো ইমান নালাগে ফেনটো অলপ কমাই দিওঁ ফেনটো বন্ধই কৰি দিওঁ yes item number 8 oh the case is pending since long, yes. So you have filed your this for correction, you have filed anything? Today you have filed. Okay, we'll call for it. Can we call for the affidavit? It is already filed or not yet filed? Filed. Affidavit of record. Affidavit. Item number 8. Okay.
Next week, madam.
Next week, Tuesday, Thursday. Tuesday or Thursday. Hearing list?
Yes, madam. Monday and 18, madam.
No, Monday hearing, not hearing list.
Yes, madam.
19 can be. 19 bahut. Maybe at 21 or
20?
21 is Thursday. 21 is Thursday. 20.
My lord, always.
May I please, your lordship? I am praying for listing the anticipatory bill, my lord. File on 6th, my lord. Tomorrow or day?
No.
Day after tomorrow, my lord?
We are over. The cases have been overcrowded. No, not at all. Maybe by next 14 pariboni in one. Second. 18 Maribona. 18 bohut. No, September corona, petition August.
No, otherwise it may list it day after tomorrow. No objection. No.
Maybe on 22nd, or you can approach registry if they can.
Yes, my lord. Maybe listed day after tomorrow.
No,
Otherwise,
we are not going to list it there.
oblige.
You can approach registry or
My lord, item number 41 is fixed for withdrawal. I am for the petitioner. The matter has been already compromised between the parties at the family court. So this matter is infructuous. In the light of that order.
yes, it will come. We'll call for your record. Yes. We are hearing the mentioning only.
May I please, dear Lord, this is for listing a withdrawal petition, my lord, for tomorrow, my lord. Oblige, man.
May I please, your lordship? Lordship, I beg to mention item number 16, lordship.
16.
5 days
already behind the bar, Lordship. CD is not available. Can it be on 14, Lordship?
CD not available here.
CD is not available, Lordship. 65 days already behind the bar.
14 within 14. Can you call for it?
14 82. Thursday, Lordship. 14.
14. Oh,
Lordship,
CD not received. Issue reminder.
It will not come on 15.
May not come.
Yes.
CD may not reach.
21st, 21.
Lordship, already. Lordship,
I
Lordship,
can
18,
understand.
then,
CD
then
will
18,
not-
Lordship.
Huh?
Then 18, Lord. Monday, Lordship.
18 we cannot fix.
Yeah, wait.
You can see the fixed matter and then you ask for listing around
19.
Lordship on 19, Lordship.
98.
Lordship,
Who does that? How would you do this? Sure, fine. 90.
similar with regard to item number 6 also, Lord.
We do it 16. Yes.
Similar with regard to item number 6 also, Lord.
Item number 6.
Lordship.
It's a motion.
Same PS, Lord. That may be come along with item number 16, Lord, on 19,
6 to 19.8 go to CDB.
along with 16, Lord. Oblige, your Lord.
May please, Your Lordship. I will mention item number 29. The conducting counsel is out of station today. I've been informed that the case record, the case is available. My lord, series has been received.
Are you on interim there?
My lord?
Are you on interim?
No, my lord.
Interim was there? No interim. Earlier?
No.
Rejected. CD you have received already,
PD has been received.
but we cannot fix any date here.
I may be allowed to.
A date may be fixed, my lord, in the short while.
No, we don't have any dates. Problem is otherwise. We don't have. At based on 22nd, look at can it be? 22nd.
Oblige, my lord.
May I please, your Lord?
CDB retained till 22nd. CD at the request made by land council for the petition, matter is adjourned. CDB retained till next date of listing. 22/8.
May I please, your Lordship? Your Lordship, I would like to mention item number 10. We would like to withdraw the item number 10. Yeah.
We will call for it. Just wait.
May it please your Lordship. Lordship, I'd like to mention item 24. The CD has not been received yet.
Yes, what is the position? 24?
Lordship, I'm on interim bill. The interim
You
order.
are on
may be-
interim? CD not received. Issue reminder, interim be extended. Yes.
On my lord, 8th of September.
8, 9. Interim be extended till next date of listing.
Lordship.
8 of September.
Lordship. Oblige.
My pleasure, Lord. Similar prayer regarding 23 and 26, my lord.
23 and 26.
My lord, CD is not received for probably, my lord.
Here in the both the matters, are you on
Interim, my interim. Your lordship has protected me.
both 23 and 26?
26, my lord.
25 is also
My
out of
lord,
same.
this is a tag matter, my lord. It is arising under the same out of the same FIR, my lord. These two police station, my lord. They are the bank officials, my lord, who were like who are in the apprehension that they will be arrested in that case, my lord, because there were some malfunction in the ATM machine.
No, whatever. 25 and 26 are same.
Same, arising out of the same.
You are also appearing in the 25 also.
25 I'm not appearing. I'm appearing in the item number 23 and 26.
23 and 26. But
Yes.
25 and 26 are out of same.
Same.
So what is the position? 23 and 26?
CD not received.
They are on interim.
Yes, my lord.
Yes, interim.
Interim is there.
23 and 26 same order koribo. 8-9 koribo. We are extending your interim till 8-9.
My lord.
And 25 is also just
And
I'm
I think
asking
the same FIR,
25
ma'am.
also same FIR.
Same FIR, my lord.
What about the 25 Botaku? Are they?
Also, my CD not received.
No. Are they on interim? Because sometimes some council
interim.
just misled the court and said that interim is there.
Interim is
When we go by the record, interim was not there. So just why I'm asking.
interim is there, my lord. Interim granted on 11th.
25. 25 same order. 8-9. We all the matters we are listing it on 20. 8-9.
8-9.
And interim will be extended.
My lord. I'm obliged, my lord.
May I please also. I would like to mention listing of criminal petition 1473/2024 for order. It was last listed on January
Yes, I
9,
need to have a very senior bank
2025 this year.
I'm sorry. Yeah. Monitor. Don't mention Guru like any senior bench with that. You make a mention before court number 6.
Yeah, please, your lordship. I beg to mention item number 32, lordship. Kindly pass over for the day, lordship.
32.
32 KZ received.
CD receipt. Are they on interim?
No, no.
They are not on interim. Can you retain the case diary till our best take a depot pine and why did you not like a depot? Take a 22nd. 22nd till 22nd. I do request made by so and so Koribo 22nd 8 CD be written till next date of listing.
Obviously. May I please, your lordship? Lordship, I have instruction to withdraw this matter.
Your good name?
K. Bharali, lordship.
K. Bharali. Same order ho, as per instructions.
Liberty may be given, lordship. Liberty may be.
Liberty, we want liberty. Instructions so and so. With a liberty to file a fresh, if so advice. Cases accordingly withdrawn, disposed on withdrawal. Okay.
Much obliged, lordship.
I may be allowed to.
Mr. P. Hajurika, and so. As per instruction of clients, and so. In view of this, the matter is accordingly disposed of and withdrawn. Okay.
Well, matter has been already settled before the family court, so that may be withdrawn.
Family court, it has been settled. Is there any order earlier you have paid anything?
Yes, ma'am. Initially, an amount was there.
Otherwise, an interim was there.
Yes.
Interim was operating.
Yes. And thereafter, my lord, whole one-time settlement has been already done.
Okay. So you were granted with the interim on 11/7/2017.
My lord. Thereafter, further payment has been regularly done, and on my lord.
Finally, a final settlement
Yes.
was there.
And 11th of March 2022, the matter has been already mutually settled.
When? 11?
11th of March 2022, at an amount of rupees 4,70,000. One-time settlement.
You are Mr.
D.K. Nath.
Heard Mr. D.K. Nath, Dilan Council for the petition. Also heard Mr. P. Botaku, Dilan additional PP appearing on behalf of state respondent. It is submitted by Mr. Nath that this is already settled between the parties outside the court. And in pursuant to that settlement, it was a one-time settlement.
Yes.
Settlement. The money has been paid on to the respondent out of one-time settlement that is on 11/3/2022 before the learned family court. Family court, which family court? This one?
Number.
Kamrup, Nalbari.
Kamrup Metro.
Kamrup Metro.
Number 1, my lord.
Number 1. Accordingly, it is submitted by Mr. Nath that the party, his present petitioner, is not interested to proceed with the case further, as it has already become infectious. In view of this, the present criminal revision petition is hereby disposed of on being infectious.
Probably.
Withdraw will be good.
May I please,
Yes.
lordship, the petitioner instructed me to withdraw the case.
This one withdrawn. You are MS
M. Deka.
M. Deka.
G. Bora.
M. Deka appearing on behalf of MSG, and it is submitted as per instructions of her petitioner. She wants to withdraw this. In view of this, we will disposed of on withdrawal. Okay, it will be disposed of on withdrawal.
Left,
Now,
lordship.
item number 10. Item 10 is supposed to withdraw this one, item 10.
Please, Your Lordship.
So we want to withdraw this one.
We'll withdraw the.
We heard Mr. T. Lustre, the land council petition. I also heard Mr. P. Watercool and an additional PP appearing on behalf of state. It is submitted by Mr. Lustre as per instructions of his client. Then he wants to withdraw this in view of his prayer allowed and accordingly disposed of. Okay, it will be disposed.
Much obliged.
This is a bail application, your lordship has to call for the case diary in this case. For some matters, I think 2 matters has already been filed. I have been told in this connection, because 3 was arrested. I am also one of that who has been arrested. I am I made the design. I was an architect, which might not your lordship recollect.
Oh,
The matter of boy
one.
suicide, as the girl has given a suicide note, where it is there, already in the forwarding report. So definitely your
It
lordship
was
has
fixed
to
for
forward.
tomorrow. 3 cases. 3 cases have already been fixed. 2 BA and 1 AB. You are also BA. Since when you are in custody?
I am custody 25th,
Of this month.
25th. That is why I said that it.
Then if it
that
is
I know.
tomorrow for the other, then we maybe give you maybe on 18th or 19th.
Yes, that's I think 18 is fine.
18 is fine.
18 is. 18.
They'll, can
Some
you
adjustment, if 18 in the morning, I have some VC matter,
okay.
then adjustment may be given on 18, let it fix on 18. Let it fix on 18.
Or what do you want to submit? Anything?
Because
No, it's okay.
why I am saying 18, let it be, let him remain, because he's because custody detention, whether it is required or not, that's the whole point, my lord.
Yes, we'll see.
Because your lordship will look into that.
Then you do one thing, Mr. Botakur, we may receive the CD by tomorrow also. So it may be retained till 18. We'll adjust your time.
Yes, I'm deeply
Did
obliged.
we call for it?
I will submit before the what is my role in this case.
Oh, sure. You are an architect.
I am architect and 66% it has been sent to IIT for approval. According approval was done. Because there is nothing to do with the contractor and with this engineer. Because only what I have seen that she was pressurized. What I have seen that there was a pressurized which may say that his drawing is not proper. Drawing is not proper, but it has been already approved. And she was 66% of the work completed. I will argue the matter. Deeply.
Heard Mr. D. Das Koido. Heard Mr. D. Das, the senior advocate, who is assisting Mr. Das.
Mr.
Sorry?
Peace and.
Peace. You are for the informed. As now as for the informed and be bought. Okay.
This is a regular bail application, my lord. Charge sheeted and charge has already been framed, my lord. And section 87 and 64 has been charge has been placed under section 87 and 64. I have annexed a 161 statement of the victim, my lord. That does not attract because the statement recorded before the honorable court that is not available, but with copy I have given the statement given before the IO, my lord. And that I have annexed. It does not reflect so far my understanding is concerned, my
So
lord.
otherwise, what is the stage of the case at present?
Is a evidence stage, my lord. No evidence has been recorded yet.
Not yet recorded.
Charge has been framed on
And the case, the charge sheeted under and charge is also framed under 64?
64 and 87. 87 and 64.
64 and 87. Yes, Botakur. Your petitioner is in custody since when?
It is he in custody from my lord 15/5/2025, 98 days as on today. I have annexed 161 statement. Is that
You were also provided with 164?
no, 164 was not provided, that's why, my lord. But 161 does not disclose anything which attracts section, these 2 sections, my lord.
Maybe. Let us see the case record because 164 is
It's from Udalguri, my lord.
No, Budalguri may be the case, but we don't have any time. When first week of September will do, or 20, last part of
Last part
August,
of August, my lord.
7 মান দিব পাৰিম। 26, no, not September, 27th of August, 27.
27.
27th of August. Scan copy of the TCR we call for, rest you will do the needful, 27/8 listing.
Highly obliged.
May I please, Lordship? Lordship, regular bail application, Lordship. Petitioner is behind the bar for 18 days, Lordship. FR is case number 11, Lordship. Lordship, allegation is under section 308, subsection 2, it's extortion, Lordship. Lordship, police called me to the police station. I voluntarily appeared before the IO, Lordship, and then police arrested me, Lordship. Lordship, as per the allegation,
It is what, a case of extortion or what?
Lordship. Lordship, honey trapping.
Oh, honey trapping.
Lordship. But nothing was done from my side, Lordship. I am a educated boy, Lordship.
Providing report page 13 number, number 3 and
Yeah.
May I read the Lord?
সেইটো নাছিল, সেইটো মই পাৰ আজি সেইটোতো বহুত তাতো দিব পাৰিম। বাৰে বাৰে মানে বৰ শান্তি হৈ থাকে। Yes, ground of arrest, which point number?
you will also make page 13, my lord.
Yes.
Grounds of arrest, you will check providing report. And the serial number 3 and 4, the arrested accused person. 4, my lord. The mobile number from which the accused person used to begin the informant has recovered in the possession.
Lordship,
Yes.
no conversation was done from my side, Lordship. It's the allegation, Lordship. Anyway, Lordship, now
That I don't know.
whether my
Pointing
custodial
out-
detention is required or not. If I suppose I admitted the
You had a scissor list, you have any scissor list?
no, Lord.
Your mobile handset is already been seized or not?
No, Lordship. I have applied for seizure list, Lordship, but I have not.
No,
received
as
the-
per your instruction, your mobile handset has been seized? Not yet seized.
It's seized by the police, Lordship.
No,
But
that's what I mean. It is
seizure
already
list I have
seized.
not received,
It is already seized,
Lordship.
your mobile handset.
Lordship.
So you got arrested when?
Lordship,
24/7?
24/7, Lordship. Today is 18 days. Lordship.
Let it be on some more days. We don't have any, otherwise also we don't have any date. Yes, Botakur. We have in fact flooded with all
Lordship,
dates.
20.
A short date may be given, Lordship, because
We
it's
don't
from
have any-
Polton Bazar, Lordship.
No, Polton Bazaar is different thing. We don't have any date.
23, 23,
23?
23,
20 is a Kulava.
26,
23 is a working day. or holiday?
26,
Lordship, can it be on 19th or 20th?
23 is a holiday.
23 holiday, 26.
Of 3 days. But 25 is also holiday, na? 26/8?
26.
You are saying.
Lordship, a short date may be given because Lordship, today is 18 days, Lordship, behind the bar, Lordship. And
We are
just
not giving short date.
Lordship.
26/8.
Lordship, can it be on 18th or 19th, Lordship?
No.
And like,
He is on 18 days behind the bar. Let me see. 26/8.
like,
Oh, yeah, the date. Nine. Can't do better.
May I please, Your Lordship?
Yes,
My
Khan.
lord, bail application in respect of other accused has already been fixed on 2nd of September. And this is
These are BA, those are BA or
no,
AB?
these are those are that is AB, Lordship.
Those two are AB.
Two are AB. Yeah.
But your one is BA.
This is BA.
So since when you are in custody?
I am behind the bar from 29/7.
29/7.
We said not also it was.
There was a love affairs, and when she insists the petitioner to get her married, he refused. And subsequently, Lordship, she has committed suicide. And before last week of this month, Your Lordship met him and all proceed, Your Lordship. That is AB interim is given in that case. The parents got
27, 28, and 27, 8. CTB call for 20.
obliged.
অলপমান পিছত এক্টিভেট অহাৰ পিছত মাতিব এতিয়া নহয় 9 মান
May I please, Your Lordship?
yes Mr.
Lordship, the instruction was called for whether any case has been registered against.
You received the instruction through WhatsApp?
Yes. Not looking for PS case number 92/24. In that case, search sheet file, my lord, against Suresh Sethi. There are two petitions in the present. Suresh Sethi and Bondanada. Against Suresh Sethi, my lord, in that case, search sheet is submitted, but not against Bondanada.
Suresh Chetia already charge is submitted,
Yes.
not against Bandana.
Bondanada.
So if search it, I mean search it has already been filed, you are still then you are not aware about it. How it can be?
Charge sheet.
I mean charge sheet has already been filed, but till now we are not being searched by police, never, or what is the position? Why you were not aware of?
Lordship, I was being searched earlier, Lordship. Thereafter,
Case number is NLPS case number 92/20. Search sheet number 131/24, dated 31/7/20.
Then now the position is we don't know anything about. So we have to dispose of the matter.
yes, Lordship. And
You see the if your case has already been charged, it is supposed.
Lordship.
In that case, you definitely will may receive summon or notice whatever
Lordship.
from the court. And
Lordship.
then you can approach. Otherwise, we don't have anything before us.
Lordship.
Get a report. Tell us. Oh, you did WhatsApp, no?
WhatsApp.
Anyway, what just tell us. One is the CS is 131/2024 dated 31/7/2024.
Yes.
And number is case number is
Not looking for PS case number
not Lakhimpur PS case number.
92/24.
So against one only.
Yes, ma'am. Only against Suresh Sethi.
Acha. Heard Mr. K. Thakur, Delaney Council for the petition. Also heard Mr. P. Thakur, Delaney additional PP appearing on behalf of state. Next price is submitted by Mr. Borthakur that through WhatsApp. The IO had sent the intimation wherefrom it has learned that case has been registered against the petitioner number 1, Suresh
Chetia.
Chetia.
Case registered against
Both. Oh, that we don't know, na? Acha. সেইটো লিখিব নালাগে submitted that one case has been registered registered under North Lakhimpur PS case number 92/2024 and case has already been charged sheeted against petitioner number 1 Suresh Setia, white CS number 131/2024 dated 31/07/2024. In that context, Mr. Thakur submitted that in one occasion, the police made a search for the present petitioner, but thereafter, the petitioner is not aware about the lodging of the FIR, registration of the same, as well as filing of the charge sheet. In view of this, the present anticipatory bail petition is accordingly closed. Full stop. The petitioners are at liberty to file the appropriate application for bail in appropriate forum if so advised. It's above also this is disposed. Okay.
Lordship, the petitioner number 1 only, Lordship.
Against one petition number 1.
Yes, Lordship.
But the petition number 2,
There
so
is
it has
no case,
already
Lordship.
become in yes. Most probably, I later on if anything
As
come
per-
out as till now only against one
Lordship.
disposal.
Deeply
So I have mentioned against one only.
Lordship. Deeply obliged.
Yeah, please, your Lordship. Lordship, there is an error in our part, my lord. My lord, the sections are bailable, my lord. So, my lord, it may be closed, my lord.
It is sections available.
Yes, my lord.
You are Mr.
P. Sakya, my lord.
Heard Mr. P. Sakya, Delane counsel for the petition. Also heard Mr. P. Bothakur, Delane additional PP appearing on behalf of state respondent. It is submitted by Mr. Sakya that the case has been registered under the available sections and hence the petitioner does not want to praise the same as praise the same full stop. In view of this, the present petition is accordingly disposed of on trial.
What's your pleasure?
May I please, your Lordship. Anticipatory bail application, my lord, FIR at page number 8.
Yes, Mr.
FIR at page number 8, my lord.
Page number 8.
8. 4 person in the FIR name accused, my lord. I am for accused number 4.
You are for accused number 4.
Taiwali.
Huh.
Allegation is that, my lord, the accused number 1 and 2 has illicit relationship. Thereafter, the wife of the accused number 1 protest the same.
Wife
And
of the accused number 1.
1.
Ah.
Protest the same and subsequently she committed suicide. Thereafter, this
Who
affair has been
committed?
filed.
The wife.
Wife of the accused number 1.
Achha.
Then the accused number 1 and 2 arrested and they are released on default bail by the lawyer court matter.
Hmm.
In the FIR, there is no any allegation against me, my lord. Direct allegation
but,
against the accused number 1 and 2.
That I don't know, but case is registered 103
103, yes.
with the allegation of murder.
Lordship.
Your Lordship, may kindly use page number 9.
Yes.
Accused number 2, 3, and 4 committed murder of my
So against you too, it seems the direct allegation is there.
accused number 1 with the help of
And it is suspected that the accused hang her body.
intended to falsely suggest.
And it was a plan that as if she committed suicide. So you have created, as per allegation, you have created a scene.
Lordship.
So obviously CD will be required.
I'll my lord, cooperate, my lord.
You may cooperate,
Lordship.
but what to do? It's a case of murder. Better to see at least perusal of the case there is required. CDP call for Koro. Yes, Bothakur.
Second of
2nd of September. Okay, we are listing it on 2nd of September.
May I plead your lordship?
Yes.
Lordship, in this case, the accused arrested on 27/6/2025, lordship, and 46 behind the bar, lordship. And the FIR pays 9.
27/6.
46 days.
No, he arrested on 27/6.
27/6/2020.
So now today, 46 days.
46 days. And the FIR pays 9, lordship.
Yes.
And allegation is lordship 1172, 1182, 1091, 35 of the BNS, lordship.
In this case, what happened, Lordship? One Nuruddin and Saiful Islam. They called the informant son, Lordship, and one marpit was happened on that day, Lordship, between the Nuruddin and Saiful Islam, Lordship. And our accused, Lordship, he is present, Lordship, and many people are gathered there, Lordship. But he was a leader man. So in the affair, Lordship, first name is, my accused name is indicated in this case, Lordship. And totally I am innocent. I am also present, Lordship. And one Saiful and Nuruddin, he has fled away from this spot, Lordship.
Is there any receipt that report also received that one is serious injury by blunt weapon and my daughter second injury report is for full injury. Your statement is also available. So your immediately the present.
Yes, sir.
Two injury. Two persons injured, one million escape, one of two stages.
Kohinoor Islam.
Last Kohinoor escape.
As per the statements, you are the main person. So 112, 1182. Na?
Yeah.
2 is a blunt or again sharp. Otherwise, voluntary hurt is there, but dangerous weapon is not there. I think, I don't know. Rod was there.
Yes, voluntary for the previous of dangerous weapon or means. Here, the weapon also with the plant of record voluntarily possessed by means of any instrument for shooting, stabbing, or cutting, or any
That is
instrument
shooting, stabbing, cutting.
which used as a weapon of offense.
That means shooting, cutting, stabbing is there. Anyway, 46 days is
Yes,
there.
sir.
Two injury is also available.
Also. 1 million he had been, he sustained grievous hurt.
1 million SK and 1 up to pressure. Million previous injury up to pressure.
Fracture was there. Mr. A. Islam,
M.A. Mondal.
M.M. Heard Mr. M.A. Mondal, the learned counsel for the petition. Also heard Mr. P. Waterford, the learned Islam PP, appearing on behalf of suit respondent. This is an application under section so and so in connection with so and so. CD received fails this. Next, right, is submitted by Mr. Mondal, the learned counsel for the petitioner, that he is innocent and no way connected in the arrest offense. However, it is the fact that he was present at the time of occurrence and was trying to stop the quarrel when two other co-accused persons, namely Noor Uddin and Saiful Islam, was hitting the victim. The further submitted that the accused was arrested on 27/6/2025 and last 46 days he is in custody, and hence, considering his length of detention also, he may be released on bail. However, he will extend his cooperation in the further investigation of this case if he is granted the privilege of bail. Next, para Mr. Portaco, the learned edition PP, submitted in this regard that sufficient implementing materials available in the case diary against the present petitioner, and rather he took the active role in committing the offense. Mr. Portaco further submitted that the one of the victim also sustained previous injury through blunt object. As hearing this submission made by learning counsel for both sides, I have also produced the case record, case diary, and the medical report of the victim. It is a fact that one of the victims sustained previous injury inflicted by blunt object, and some inflammatory materials are also available against the present patient. However, considering the materials in the case diary, medical report, and the length of detention already undergone by the petitioner, I find that further custodial interrogation may not be required for the purpose of investigation. So and so, so and so. It is a case of which place? Cases of from which district?
CGM Kokragar.
To the satisfaction of CGM Kokragar. Oh, you have done.
Obliged, Lord. Wait, this is your lordship. Lordship, this is a regular bail application.
Is there not received? I will take some time.
Lordship, may I submit, Lordship? 38 days, Lordship, living relation, Lordship. The girl is major, the boy is also major, Lordship. FIR will find on page 14, Lordship. They have a relation, Lordship, since 2021, Lordship. Even without case diary, Lordship may considering the length of detention, because both are major, Lordship, they are in relation, Lordship. That is stated in the FIR, Lordship, page 14, Lordship. Last 6 months, they have communication gap. There's a communication breakdown, Lordship. That's why she lost this FIR, Lordship. She has stated, along with that, Lordship, this boy has taken 1,05,000 from 1.5 lakhs from this petitioner, Lordship. That was not raised, Lordship, when this petitioner taken took that amount from this girl, Lordship. When she had a relation with this boy, Lordship, that time she has not raised all these things, Lordship. Page 14 is the FIR, Lordship. He knows the consequence, Lordship, having living relation, Lordship.
Though it is a modern concept lordship, earlier days it was not recognized. Now they are in city lordship. They, without going for the marital trial lordship, they prefer to live in such a way lordship. "38 days lordship, today lordship, considering the length of detention lordship."
And here rejection order is at
That I have next lordship, that things is already reflected.
11 portion is at page 23. Page 23. During the course of the
22.
yes, page 22 from second line. During the course of the relevant.
They know the consequence lordship, since they have in relation lordship 2021 and staying together lordship, these things will happen lordship. Because they don't want the marital trial lordship. They don't prefer for marital relation lordship.
Yes, whatever. Yes, there's a rejection order. Any other submission from this?
I get city was called for. Yes, they were in relation, yes, living relationship, that is a different aspect. Otherwise, there is allegation of physical assault, report from thereafter, allegation, all these allegations is there.
Physical assault case is not registered lordship.
Of the city, so there is sufficient.
Case was registered under 69 lordship. This is sexual intercourse deceitfully, 10 years imprisonment and causing miscarriage. And third was the cheating. Cheating part will not come lordship, and cause of miscarriage lordship, she knows the consequence lordship, having relation in 2021 in the same, sharing same room lordship. And that part lordship, deceitful will not come lordship, because she preferred this life lordship. Only lordship, considering the length of detention lordship, 38 days.
Heard Mr. P. Chaudhary, Delaney Council for the petition. And also heard Mr. P. Botaku, Delaney additional PP appearing on behalf of state respondent. This is an application under section so in connection with so. It is submitted by Mr. Botaku, the CD not received, and it is the IO paid some more time to produce the C. In that context, expected contact Mr. Chaudhary. The learned counsel for the petitioner submitted that accused is in custody since last 38 days, and thus the IO got sufficient opportunity to interrogate him, keeping him in custody. We further submitted that from the FI itself, it is seen that there was a relationship between the petitioner and the victim since 2021, and as relationship, and since 2021 they were in living relationship, and both and being a major girl, she even know all the consequences. However, the petitioner is ready and willing to extend his cooperation in further investigation of this case if he is provided with the privilege of bail. Next, madam. Mr. Waterford, you learned additional PP submitted in this report that there's a allegation of sexual relationship with the victim, which caused promise of marriage, and that apart, his earlier bail application was also rejected by the learned trial court below after on perusal of the case diary. Mr. Waterford accordingly submitted that CD may perusal of the CD will be required to pass to pass necessary order in this. Next, but hearing the submission penned by learning counsel both sides. I have also perused the case report and the statement made in the FI. Considering all these aspects of the case and also considering the length of detention already undergone by the accused petitioner, I find that further custodial interrogation may not be required. In view of this, I find it a fit case to extend the privilege of bail. is from Kamrup Metro, I think. Kamrup
Kamrup Metro.
to the satisfaction of CGM Kamrup Metro.
Highly obliged. Obliged.
It is not really now. Your case number is?
Item 18, Lordship.
Also a case very not.
Lordship, I may be allowed to pass an interim order, Lordship, because the petitioner is languishing in jail since 27/2025, Lordship. And in the context of the FIR, the main prima facie accused is Your Lordship, the Sukur Ali, Lordship. In
Cases of which nature?
Okay, assured her to marry and sold her at 1,50,000 to house in Haryana.
It is
Lordship,
not a case of interim and only. Cannot be.
Lordship, the petitioner
Or whatever.
is going to marry with her Lordship, for which
Very
they have
nice.
executed and deed of
Let him marry her.
kindly page the page number
Okay,
27, Lordship.
CD call code. We're not giving any interim here.
Lordship, if any primacy be done, that may be vacated, Lordship. For the time being, interim order. may be-
Prima facie. What is submitted?
It on 28.
No, what you have submitted?
Lordship,
I could not
in the
follow.
context of the affair, Lordship, the informant stated that her sister was absconded on 18/5, whereas deed of leave in relationship was executed on 11/4/2025, Lordship. Kindly peruse the page number 29.
No, this is a case of allegation of this.
Your Lordship,
I mean,
page 20, last requirement of plea at the time of death, sir, during the investigation so far, it is found that the accused person, both the victim guard from the human trafficker and used her as sex slave. It is required to trace out the root and claim of this human.
It is not a case of a simple case. It is not a case that love affairs was there, marriage was there. It's not a case of that. It was the allegation of human trafficking, in fact.
Lordship, in
So
the
in
context
such
of
case,
the
how
affair,
can we expect any interim order here? It cannot
the
be.
petitioner who himself informed to the informed that her sister is under his custody, Lordship.
Very good. We cannot give.
And the absconded person is already been recovered.
No, it is not that type of case. No? It's the seriousness of the case.
Definitely.
It is a case that where the allegation of human trafficking is there. It is not a case of without presumptive case. It cannot be. It's not a case of interim also. CD not received. Issue reminder. Yes, when it can be called for. Because you are in custody since how many days?
27.
27 days.
27/2025.
20/07.
Yes.
Not exactly 1 month also, I think. 2nd of September will do, or it can be he is in custody also.
On 28.
28 days. 28 days. Issue reminder and list.
Deeply obliged, Lordship.
উঠে বলিস এখন আমি বলে দিই।
19 my of subject submitted.
CS submitted already. Yes, CS number?
CS number 130/25.
130/25.
Dated 23/7.
23/7. Video card.
48 days in custody, Lordship.
How many days?
48 days.
48. Heard Mr. M.I. Hussain, the landed consequently petition. Also heard Mr. P. Thakur, the landed additional PP, appearing on behalf of said respondent. CD not received. It is submitted by Mr. Thakur. That case has already been charge sheeted by CS number 130/2025, dated 23/07/2025. In that context, Mr. Hussain submitted that the accused petitioner is in custody since last 48 days. and hence considering his length of detention, he may be released on bail. Next one. Considering the fact that the case has already been charged, the pending petitioner is hereby directed to appear before the learned trial court below with an appropriate application for bail, which may be considered in accordance. The report received from the IO may be kept in the case here with the above observation. The IO stands dismissed.
Learned court below may consider the length of detention.
That's why I have submitted your length of detention. It may be considered.
Obliged.
May please, as per order dated 19/6/2024, Lordship, Lordship has granted the stay as to call for the record. The record has come up, Lordship. So my humble submission that the matter be fixed for hearing, Lordship, any day. 19/6 already the elaborate content has been seen in the
2, 3. Mr. H.R. Ahmed, he appeared for response number 2.
Probably I have seen the name, but I don't know his mobile number. Otherwise, in the morning I thought that I will ring him because I had some problem, but I did not get his name. So I asked 2-3 persons. Nobody knows.
Oh, okay.
That is only. So that's why I have come, Lordship. Only the thing
So
is that-
otherwise, we call for the and
Yes.
case record was also called for. No?
Yes, record has come up, Lordship.
Record has
Record has come up, so that the matter be fixed for hearing after puja or anything, Lordship. And the order 19/6/2024 shall be continued.
For admission, it may not be proper to hear. Let it be on admission hearing column only.
Yes, Lordship, no issue.
We can
No,
issue.
yes, Lord. I agree to that part. But after puja, Lordship, Baba, any day or after 2-3 weeks, whatever, court deems fit, Lordship. I have no problem. Record has come up. Well, initially, order 19/6, Lordship has included everything after perusing the record. That's why the record 161/64 was called for. That has come up. Just to check whether the ingredients are sufficient or not. So, Lordship, any day, yes. So 4 weeks, Lordship. Oh, Lordship, you got
Heard Mr. B. Sharma, the learned counsel for the petitioner, and also heard Mr. P. Bhatta, the learned additional PP appearing on behalf of state respondent. The respondent number 2 remained unrepresented, so the name of one counsel has already been reflected in the cause list for the respondent number. The case record has already been received. Accordingly, considering the submission made by learned counsel for the petitioner, let the matter be listed. You are for the respondent. Your good name. Your name.
Mariam
M.
Begum.
M. Begum Likhito, appearing on behalf of Mr. H.R. Ahmed. You are appearing for H.R. Ahmed. So we have received the case record already. So we are fixing a date for your. Do you want to submit anything in written or no? After 4 weeks, the date.
Yes, Lordship. After 4 weeks, Lordship.
24th of
24th of October.
After puja, Lordship, that is only once.
Then my lord, 18th of September.
No, Lordship.
18,
After puja, Lordship.
No, I
After
don't
puja,
know
anything.
what is because stay is operating. That's why I don't know. Is there
I have
anything?
to be the-
She is not in a position, I think, to
No, that's why Lordship, after puja, I need, if Lordship can fix a date up, so I have no suited. 24th October, it says, I'm ready to.
After 4 weeks, then my lord, 18/9. 18/9.
You see, September, I have a difficulty. That is only the part, last part of puja. After puja, any date can you fix, not 4 weeks if wants, my Landicals wants, I have no objection.
that
to
is not the
part.
case. Question is that it is your stay is operating.
Yes, Lordship.
That may affect the otherwise also.
No,
That's
why-
what I'm
see,
saying.
That's why. Only prayer is there. Any date, otherwise Lord can fix it prior to that part.
Otherwise, my LCR
If that is.
on the 18/9, if my lord, on that day, my lord, there is any difficulty.
No, 89, you have some problem on 89.
Yes, Lordship, because only that I have not checked up. If I will not be here, I am ready to argue that part. Not is it. If he wants Lordship, make his fix on 18. Then Lordship, keep it on 18/9. 18/9, Lordship.
He'll be available.
Yes, Lord. Lord.
List
Please.
accordingly on 89 in the admission column. Admission hearing.
And in interim order of earlier.
It will be continued in next day.
Yes. Okay. But from 28, Puja is there. So many cases are fixed on prior to that. That is only the difficulty. That's needs.
Let's see if
Yeah,
the other side is.
Yeah, okay, Lord. Okay. Right.
Huh? 43.
Township for the petitioner does not come and this is will take some time.
After some time. After some time we'll call.
Wait, please, Your Lordship.
Yes.
My lord, in this case, I am 59 days in custody, 60 days statutory period, Lordship.
Best statutory is 60 days.
60 days, 59 days as on today. The other days,
What is the case? Why you didn't approach the on the earlier occasion? Why it was not submitted anything by you?
Lordship,
On the now you are saying that you are on 89 days.
59.
159. Oh,
Lordship.
sorry, I heard it 89. Anyway, what is the case?
On Friday, my lord,
Yes, he made a mention. So now 59 days. What is your
length of this 30th of the
notice? I heard it 89. That's why I asked. Okay, heard Mr. M.I. Hussain, Delaney counsel for the petition. Also heard Mr. P. Water, Delaney additional PP, appearing on behalf of state. This is an application under section Sweds connection. Sweds. It is submitted by Mr. Hussain that the accused petitioner is in custody since last 59 days. And considering his length of detention, he may be released on. In that context, Mr. Water submitted that from the. You have not received a case diary, though. From the taken it. From the report of the IO, it has been learned that case has not yet transited. In view of this, without going detail into the merit of the case, considering the length of detention already undergone by the accused petitioner, I find it a fit case to extend the privilege of bail, where it has to be
Sonitpur,
CGM.
CGM Sonit.
CGM Sonitpur.
Okay, deeply acknowledged.
May I please, Your Lordship?
Yes.
Lord, in this case, my lord, the petitioners were granted interim, my lord. And we
You are on
appeared,
interim.
Lordship, we appeared our statement recorded, my lord. FIR page 10, my lord.
FIR the page 10.
Page 10. The wife of the accused number 1, my lord, she died, my lord. Death was natural, but FIR was filed. Suspecting that due to assault by the husband, my lord, she was died. Then husband was arrested and he approached this honor court. This honor court granted him bail. And we are the father, mother, and my lord, maternal grandfather. And in the FIR, there is no allegation against us. Even then, my lord, husband was arrested.
You are father, mother,
and maternal grandfather. Our statement recorded, my lord.
otherwise case is registered under 103.
103.
Not yet. Case number 1, schedule already granted by bail by the court that fails of this honorable court, my lord. Regarding the three present granted interim.
The incident occurred within 2 years of their marriage. I would like to just point out regarding 5 years verification of the main accused of the wrong bench of the marriage court. Some observation regarding PM report is also there, and regarding that part of the PM report, I have also flag mark.
টিভিতে আসেনি আমি দেয়া নাই পানিশমেন্ট ক্যাটাগরি
It's not a case that against these three there are no allegation. But again, main accused was, I don't know on what consideration it was granted. Only the fact that he is the sole bread earner.
After obtaining incident, there is
That is to there. And the hemorrhage was the cerebral hemorrhage was there. So as per the things, he fell down from the and he sustained, I don't know, it maybe may not be, I don't know. Otherwise, head injury or hemorrhage was there. External, no, but suddenly it got hurt. Heard Mr. R. Ali, the learned counsel for the petition, and also heard Mr. P. Waterford, the learned additional PP, appearing on behalf of state respondent. This is an application under section so and so in connection with so and so. CD receipt, where is receipt? Next paragraph is submitted by Mr. Ali that the pretend accused petitioners are the parents and the grandparent of the main accused number 1, that is the husband of the victim. They are no way related in the alleged offense, and they have not committed any such offense as alleged in the act. However, after obtaining the order of interim pre-arrest bail, they appeared before the IO, cooperated in the investigation, and their statements have already been recorded by the IO. All the petitioners are still ready and willing to cooperate the IO in further investigation of this case if they are granted with the privilege of pre-arrest. Next paragraph, Mr. Botako, the learned additional PP submitted in this regard that these 3 petitioners have already appeared for the IO and their statements are also recorded under section 183 BNSS. However, there are some incriminating materials available in the case diary implicating these 3 accused petitioners. Next paragraph. Considering the submission made by learned counsel for both sides, materials available in the case diary. Also considering the conduct of the accused petitioners, I find that custodial interrogation may not be required for the purpose of investigation. In view of this, the order of interim pre-arrest bail dated 19/2/2025 is hereby made absolute with same terms and conditions. Okay.
Deeply.
Yes, CS number?
Case number 83/25. 25.
Dated.
Uh, 57. Case number 83/25 dated 57.
You are on interim earlier? No. Yes. So we'll extend your interim till 15 days.
Okay, Your Lordship.
Within 15 days, you appear before the learned trial court with an appropriate application for bail that may be considered accordingly. Okay. So we are extending your interim was granted on. Let me see. Interim was granted on 25/03/2025. That may be extended. It order করে দিবা 15 days ওটা extend করে দিবা and CS number to listen up 83/25 dated 5/7/2022 and this may be the part of it. It will be disposed of.
Bless your Lordship.
Well, please, Your Lordship, mine.
Yes.
The case, my lord, the alternative medicine, doctor, Your Lordship already rejected Bharat
So it
24
has
1.
already received, CD received.
And last occasion, Your Lordship kindly see the order dated 17/6/2025. Your Lordship passed an order backing the IO to collect certain documents from the Joint Director Health Services, Suja. 17/6. 17/6/2000.
Yes, yes.
Yes, my lord. What I, my lord, after your lordship order, 24/1/2000, 25, my lord, entire documents, my lord, seized by the police, my lord. Investigation has been carried out, my lord. Your lordship earlier rejected holding that at that stage of investigation. Now your investigation display considerable extent, my lord. And so entire case, my lord, rests on a documentary evidence. Entire documents seized, my lord. So the custodial detention of the petitioner, my lord, may not be necessary. And he is not, my lord, such a heinous crime. Allegation is that, my lord, on 27/9/2025, one Abdullah Ahmed visited the clinic of the petitioner. Then his brother injected 2 injections After reaching home, his health condition deteriorated. Painful, my lord. Swelling developed in his left buttock, my lord. Then he visited another doctor. Then doctor advised him to undergo ultrasonography. Then that was done. Then he visited Nagaon Civil Hospital, wherein the swelling and the tendon drained by surgery. Therefore, my lord, he lodged a complaint before the Joint Director Health Services, Ujai, suspecting that the degrees obtained by the petitioner are doubtful and without any authority, he is performing surgeries, my lord. And the fact is that, my lord, in the FIR itself, my lord, he has not any surgery. His brother injected 2 injections. Earlier occasion also, my lord. And you also find my FIR also, my lord, he is cooperating the investigation with a very very initial stage. It is written, page 26, that the investigating team constituted by the 3 doctors investigated. Page 26, my lord, kindly come to page 26. Page 26, my lord. Second, we interrogated Farid Khan and his brother, Saruk Khan, and examined various documents submitted by Farid Khan. Document as follows, my lord. So earlier on the litigation that, my lord, it is revealed from the case diary that he performed some surgery, my lord. And the allegation of the investigator was that he is operating the clinic with instrument and equipment without any valid permission, without any skilled manpower, and without any document, my lord. So far as the, my lord, district registration office, registration office, after obtaining due permission from the registration officer, then we establish the clinic, my lord. It is not that for last years, 10, 15 years it is going on, my lord. And the poor people came, my lord. I being, my lord, doctor of alternative medicine, I tried to, my lord, provide the medicine, my lord. For last 15 years, nobody made any complaint against him. Simply on my absent, my lord, what generally what do we do, my lord? Sometimes a swelling, my lord, lymph nodes mostly happen due to infection from the virus and bacteria and virus, my lord. Sometimes people come, we simply, my lord, open the mouth of that nodes, because I'm not authorized to undergo surgery because I don't have that eligibility. Yeah, last occasion, my lord, CD reveals that I perform surgery, my lord, to some religious man. In my respect to my lord, submission before this honorable court, my lord, that is not only correct, my lord. Because that I cannot done, because I am not eligible and I am not authorized to perform surgery. I don't have that degree, obtained that degree, a first degree to perform surgery, my lord. So that part is done, my lord. So far as the, my lord, after your lordship order, entire document seized, my lord. Through investigation has been carried out, my lord. Seized, my lord. So this is a case of my custodial, sorry, my lord, documentary evidence. Entire evidence, entire document has been seized, my lord. And only section 336 is troubling the petitioner. This is the only non-bailable section. It is dealt with, my lord, committing forgery with an intent to commit fraud, my lord. So far as the document is concerned, he obtained a degree, my lord, from the defined university, preventing the norms, procedural practice of that institution at that moment when he obtained degree from those institution, my lord. At best, my lord, he violated any terms in section 15 of the, my lord, Clinical Establishment Regulation and Registration Act. This case, if he improperly establish a, my lord, clinic, then, my lord, it would be best if this case would come. This case would come, my lord, under the provision of section 41, 42(2) of the Clinical Establishment Act, my lord, where the punishment prescribed is fine only, my lord. So my response submission, my lord, since, my lord, investigation, this may consider to extend, my lord, entire document has been seized, my lord. Custody integration of the petition may not be necessary, my lord. This is my response submission, my lord. And after that, my lord, the clinics are closed, my lord. Because under section 15 of the Clinical Establishment Act, if he, my lord, violated the terms and conditions of section 15 of the, my lord, Clinical Establishment Act, my lord, then the authority has the power to, my lord, cancel the registration, my lord. This is my humble submission, my lord. There is any criminal antecedent against him in the past, my lord.
No, in this case, my lord, earlier rejected by.
Yes, 24
there
one.
is no new ground, my lord. It is good that, my lord, his submission, the clinic is closed. If, my lord, clinic, my lord, now also clinic continue, that it would be a chaos. However, your lordship may kindly show the inquiry report. It is also a part of the petition, and those, my lord, doctors who conducted the inquiry, those three doctors, their statement is also able. Regarding those documents, my lord, everything is mentioned in the, my lord, inquiry report.
That is also earlier referred, that is FIR, my lord. That is FIR inquiry.
The statement of the doctors, my lord, who conducted the
Yeah,
inquiry.
yes,
And,
my
my
lord.
lord, earlier considering all these aspects, your lordship has rejected the bail petition, my lord. And there is no new ground, my lord.
New Green I mentioned, my lord.
And, my lord, regarding those documents were specifically considered in the inquiry report, and the statement of all those three doctors, my lord, and how, my lord, he is running a, my lord, mini PHC, my lord, without having any, my lord, any authorization, my lord.
No, no, I have got authorization, my lord,
And,
to
my lord,
place.
conducting surgical operations there, my
No.
lord, and patients were also admitted, my lord. A fake doctor, my lord, how he, my lord, continuing that, my lord, PSC clinic playing with the life of the, my lord.
So far as the fact doctor is concerned, he's alternative medicine. There is no, my lord.
My lord, my lord, who has lost the affair, my lord, that is not important. When if, my lord, affair is also not closed, my lord, in this type, anyone may, my lord, go file affair, my lord, in this type of, file this type of going on. Okay, may kindly peruse the case. There is no new government. Actually, your
I've got page 13, I have given my. There are 13, my lord. Clearly, I have highlighted 4 and 5 new ground, my lord. On main road, though I have highlighted 5 and 6 now. On main, my lord, point is that, my lord, after a lawsuit order, entire documents seized by the police. You also rejected earlier, holding that at that stage of investigation. Now, investigation reached a considerable extent, my lord. Entire document has been seized. And through investigation has been carried out, my lord. And it is a case of documentary evidence.
Oh, my lord, it is not only a case of documentary evidence.
And so far as the, my lord,
Evidence, my lord, from the inquiry report and, my lord, other evidence is very clear that how he is running the country.
yes, if I pay him that advice, it would come within the under section 41, 42(2), and 43 of the Clinical Establishment Act, where the punishment prescribed is only fine, my lord. And so far as where is the ingredients of section 336(3), my lord? The committing crime with an intent to commit fraud. So far as the documents,
That is the fraud only.
my lord.
The way the patients came to your hospital and admitted there, they were admitted as per the submission by Mr. Bhattakur. Those were admitted in the hospital, they were treated, they were given the treatment of as an allopathic doctor with a false impression. These patients became as if you are operating your giving some medicines as an allopathic doctor. They had the impression as if we have come before a doctor and we got admitted there. That is the fraud.
That is fraud, man. What is fraud, my lord?
That is the fraud.
Who recognized elevator appointed? Dr. Burhanuddin and Dr. S. Islam.
Who asked you to appoint?
Hello?
Who asked you to appoint?
No, he
and
engaged
who
my
asked
sir.
you to appoint?
I have not so
We don't
appointment.
know who allopathic doctors we have appointed.
And I have enclosed my registration
So
certificate.
you should not operate. You should not
No, no, no.
present medicine to anyone.
I have not operated anyone.
If that was a simple case of
Yes.
suppose you are opening a clinic and all with the authorized doctors were there and all, then matter would have been different. But that is not the case as per allegation. As per not the allegation.
Inquiry report also says, my lord, two authorized doctors are there. Inquiry, I'm telling you on inquiry.
Yes, I have already said.
Yes.
I'll go through.
Order, your lordship has observed everything. Everything recorded.
So at present, the new ground you have submitted that this what I mean to say, all the documents, most of the documents have already collected by
Entire
the
documents. And my lord, kindly consider, my lord, there is no money. So custody interrogation is concerned, my lord, may not be necessary in this case, my lord. What happened, my response submission is that, my lord, sometime, my lord, a registered allopathic doctor prescribed medicine that may cause serious reaction. And sometimes,
that is
yes, my lord,
definitely, yeah,
that by itself does not mean that, my lord, is post threat to the life. It's also happened here, my lord. I have not, my lord, done any surgery. Allegation is that,
Oh,
so my lord, kindly consider, my lord. Custodial detention, in my respect, submission, my lord, may not be necessary.
Reflected. During inquiry
Yes.
also he failed to produce any of all these documents. And during inquiry, my lord, where from he obtained, my lord, that
Eh,
SSLC, HS pass certificate also, that, my lord, institution was also not in.
My
Regarding that
lord.
aspect also there is, my lord, there in the, my lord, inquiry. Regarding other documents also, inquiry report, my lord, discussed.
Assam High Secondary Education Council issued a registration in my favor. Yes, initially at Brahmaputra Valley, my lord, junior college, my lord, that was registered, affiliated under the Assam High Secondary High Secondary Education Council, my lord. Then I got registered my name through Kamarupa Academy, my lord. Then I appeared in the ICS examination in the year 2004 and successfully went through the same. I've also annexed here with my lord the registration certificate issued by the Assam High Secondary Education Council and also mark sheet issued by the competent authority. Last page, my lord, is fine mark sheet, my lord, of high secondary certificate.
yes, yes, I can remember.
Now, those things are regarding whether he, the position is very clear.
And so far as the my lord, my learned PP says, my lord, in inquiry report it is says that, my lord, he is not cooperated, my lord. Page 26, my lord, clearly says, my inquiry report clearly says we interrogated the Farid Khan and his brother Shahrukh Khan. Page 26, we interrogated Farid Khan, present petitioner, and his brother Shahrukh Khan.
Now, suppose my lord, if he is admitted that he is a doctor of alternative medicine, then also he has no right to, my lord, do all these things. What he has, my lord, right now doing, my lord, obtaining PhD day after 10 days.
No, there are one list, I think, being
Yes,
an
yes.
alternative medicine, how we can, being a doctor of an alternative medicine, how we can practice. There's a list, there's some guideline. On that basis only you can practice. There's no bar. You may obtain the degree, may be genuine, I won't say. But it says that the preliminary degree, that is your matriculation, high secondary, all are forced. But whenever you have said that you have appeared through Kamrup Academy and all these times, because Brahmaputra was not there. So that I can remember, still remember
Yes,
when
yes,
passing the order.
Oh, that
Okay,
is
I'll
yes,
pass
yes.
the order.
My lord, highly consider.
Otherwise, it is a case of NDPS or what? Nature. No, negative position. Case to keep.
NDPS document. Format very one.
Co-accused was disposed of. We need the TCR. There's an office note that TCR is not yet received. The scan copy. Otherwise, your petitioner is in custody since when?
Since 15/9/2023, your lordship, the co-accused is already being released by bail by this honorable court, your lordship. We have prayed for on the same ground for non-providing of the mandatory ground of arrest under section 50A.
You will call for the case record because perusal is required. It has to come from which place?
Sribhumi, your lordship.
When it can be given.
Your lordship, kindly fix a short date, your lordship. He is languishing in jail for a very long time. And the co-accused is in bail, your lordship.
29.
20? 29th of this month.
Yes.
29th of this month. That can.
Your lordship, 29.
PCR not received. Issue reminder. Registry will do the registry matter accordingly on 29. Now see, if, the co-accused isn't going, I can understand, but I don't know the footing may be same, may be different. That's why perusal of the case record is necessary. Sometimes it happens that position was maybe
We
directly
also
discovered.
filed for additional affidavit, your lordship.
No, that will be perused. That is not
Yes, your
the
lordship.
aspect. We need the TCR only. So we are listing it on this month only on 29 it.
Much obliged.
27.
Please, your lordship. Lordship,
Offense under POCSO.
lordship, in this case, earlier application was withdrawn for typographical
You
error.
have
Lordship.
received the case diary here. Earlier, what?
Earlier application was for withdrawn, lordship. Lordship, typographical error, lordship. I have mentioned, lordship. Lordship, in this case, section 6 POCSO is there, lordship.
Why he did this before this court? Huh? AB, that girl was the age of the girl was
17 years.
As per the
anyway. If it is 6 POCSO, then 6 POCSO cannot be here. We are not dealing with the special act. That's why I'm saying.
Yes,
Otherwise, it's not the issue.
lordship.
But okay. Good. Very good. Can I? Now, the coordinate bench had passed an order on 16/7. The coordinate bench had passed the order of withdrawal. Withdrawal is not a case, so it is not on merit, in fact. It cannot be. Even if it is withdrawn.
That's why the earlier occasion.
Yes, that order was passed. Even in case of withdrawal. That was not
Rejection and withdrawal.
rejection and withdrawal. Okay, that means. Acha, acha. Oh, that is why. Okay, there is a note. Okay. So now at this stage you have already appeared.
Yes.
CD received.
received.
Okay, you can go for it.
Statement of the victim, 161.
These are all here. Okay. Yes, what is your submission?
Lordship, main fact is that also daughter of the informant has a love affair with the accused person. And even after the father also insisted to marry her, but the accused person always denied because of she is not the age of marriage, Lord, because 17 years, 5 months. So as such, the informant of the father has lodged an affair against me, Lordship.
Because of refusal.
Yes, relationship, love affair.
So that is your case.
Yes, Lordship.
And in regards to that is to okay, love affairs was there, and regards to the allegation of aggravated sexual assault, in that case, what do you want to submit? Was there any physical relationship between them?
No,
You
Lordship.
admit this one?
No, Lordship. No, Lordship. No.
Yes, what?
161 is the value. The application is there, but my subsequent purpose of the accused and court to the relation.
But she was not examined by doctor.
He refused.
She refused. Yes.
The statement, but if there is any statement, that is, forceful. Then I think statement like of.
It seems that relationship was there, but only thing that she brought the allegation of forceful. That is the only, and in that otherwise she refused to go for medical also. Suppose on that night, if anything had happened, suppose sexual, forceful, but she refused to apply for medical. So we don't have any medical now. On the basis of her allegation, if any forceful, suppose intercourse was there and forceful, suppose it is a case registered under 6, that is not for a many a times most probably, but in that case she refused.
There is no supporting evidence. Regarding death notes, her refusal.
Yes. And the as per thing, when the FIR is blocked on the next day, exact date of incident is not visible. Or whatever, that is not there. When he establishes physical relation, it is not there.
Yes, yes.
Though she brought the allegation that on the day of incident it was there, but in FIR it's not here. That he had the level.
Yes.
And
Statement of the parents is also there.
এবছৰ ধৰি ভাল পোৱা গোচৰ পাতি দি থাকে, বিয়া নকৰায়, বৰষুণ দি. And where the girl, the description the girl made, it's not at all, there is nothing at all in the FIR that on the day of incident she was taken away, she was there. FIR is simply saying that she had the relationship with this one and with the promise of marriage he had. Otherwise, that incident which she referred, it's not here.
Otherwise, from other in the FIR city, although the statement allegation of the victim is money from initially love affair there.
Yes, love affairs was there.
Because of his refusal of marrying her, ultimately
He lost it.
it.
But that is there only. But he brought another story in this 183. That she called her, he took her, then whole night she was there. Not there. It seems, Mr. Dax, Because FIR there is nothing of that sort.
He also
You know that. How he should do. Or you are as an amicus, na? You are Mr.
Yes, yes, sorry, my lord.
Art Mr. S. J. Sohoria, Ilan the petition. Art Mr. P. Waterford, Ilan additional PP, appearing with posted response. And Mr. S. Does, Ilan amicus duly appointed on behalf of the respondent. An application, section so city received very same. It is submitted by Mr. Sohoria that representing the petitioner is innocent. And he has not committed any such offense as there is in the act. It is a fact there was a love relationship between the victim and the accused, and the father of the victim was also interested to give marriage to his daughter with the accused. But the accused refused to marry her as she has not completed her 18 years of age, marriageable age, and only on the ground, and when he only refused to marry the victim, the father of the victim lost the FIR with some concrete and false allegation. He further submitted and accepted the love relation. Nothing had happened with except the love relationship, there was no physical relationship with the victim, as alleged in the act. However, the accused is willing and willing to extend his cooperation in further investigation of this case. He is provided with provided with the privilege of rearrest. Next, Mr. Waterford, Ilan additional PP submitted in this regard.
Because AB might go in the only interim may be granted. So you can appear before the court.
Submitted, Mr. Waterford submitted that there are sufficient implementing materials available in the case diary, especially the statement recorded, especially the statement made by the under section 183 ALSS. Considering the nature and gravity of the offense, Mr. Waterford's objection submitted that may not be a case for pre-arrest. Mr. Das, Ilan and amicus curiae submitted that considering the statement made by the victim and the nature of allegation, he raised objection and submitted that the pre-arrest bail may not be granted with presentation. Hearing this submission made by an for both sides. Other aspects of the case, I find that the petitioner may be given one opportunity to appear before the IO to record his statement and to cooperate in the investigation. In view of this, the petitioner is hereby provided with interim so and so. Okay, you'll be under interim protection appear with 11 list on 11.
Hello. Okay.
May I please, Your Lordship?
Yes.
My lord, in this case, 6 petitioners are there, Lordship.
6.
6, Lordship. My lord, 1 and 2 was earlier arrested, Lordship, after filing of this petition.
So 1 and 2, you have not pressing it.
Not pressing, Lordship.
And who
3,
are
4, 5 are on interim, Lordship.
3, 4, and 5 were an interim.
Lordship, 3, 4.
6 was not on
6 was not on interim, Lordship.
Just tell us 3, 4, and 5. Heard Mr. M.I. Hussain, the learned counsel for the petitioner, and also heard Mr. B. Bott, learned additional PP. It is submitted by Mr. Potter that case has already been charge sheeted. 5 years.
Case number 69/25. Dated 15/7/20.
HCS number so and so. Switch. Next para, Mr. Hussain, learned counsel for petitioner submitted in this report that the petitioner number 1 and 2 were already arrested in this case, and hence the present petition was not pressing for the petitioner number 1 and 2. Petitioner number 3, 4, and 5 were on interim, and in pursuant to interim order, they have already appealed and cooperated in investigation of this case. However, there was no interim in regards to the petition number 6. Next one, considering the submission made by Mr. Hussain, the interim granted to the present petitioner number 3, 4, and 5 may be extended with 15 days. Switch. And all the petitioners are hereby directed to appear before the learned. May appear before the 15 days. So we are extending your 3, 4, and 5 for 15 days. To appear. And 1 and 2 got already arrested. I have already reflected. And 6 may also appear.
Within 15 days.
Within
Deeply obliged. Before Eleka Magistrate Lordship.
Before this is Eleka.
Eleka Magistrate.
Before the concerned Eleka Magistrate.
Deeply obliged.
Right, Your Lordship. I'm on interim and I have duly recorded my statement before the IO. So we have annexed it as the copy of the receipt of the order in the additional affidavit. That is page number 19, where it is shown that it is received by the concerned department, the CID. This is one particular aspect that I have duly recorded my statement, and I'm on interim. So now I'm praying.
So what one is 19 is 19? What
Page
is?
number 19 of the additional affidavit.
It is?
That is the receipt regarding the acknowledgement from the Special Director General of Police that I have gone and appeared before the council. This is within the stipulated period of time, within 7 days, as it was ordered.
This is 19 is annexed order. What I'm not following you.
No, there is an additional affidavit where we have annexed the.
So you have appeared within 7 days.
Yes, within 7 days. Yes, so we have. So this is.
I was searching for any order.
Oh no. So this is the order which was granted by this honorable court, the interim order. So here we have acknowledged it in this order. It was received by the concerned department, that is the Special Director General of Police, that I have appeared and I have recorded my statement. Since on last occasion I was asked to appear before the IO within 7 days. Now here in this matter.
Where you are annexing anything?
Additional affidavit.
Page 19.
Yes, page 19.
So
that
page
is
19 is the order whereby you were asked to appear.
Yes,
within
so
7 days.
there only there is one stamp and seal is there. Below mine. That it has been received. That I have received this particular, like I have given the copy, main copy, and then in this copy I have received the acknowledgement from the officer in charge that I have appeared. In page number 19, have you of the annexure minor of the additional affidavit, page number 19.
It's not legible when you have appeared.
Yes, I have appeared within the 7 days. It is the date is not there, but I have appeared. So they may have the CD. From the CD, it can be.
I have statement is not available in
That is the crux of the case. You have not. This is the case.
Yes, ma'am.
There's no date is here. That on within that date you have appeared. How can we say from this document?
So that
you are
is what.
that this document 1919 page number 19. Where from the is there any date is there?
No date is no. Just we are annexing it, saying that the receipt is there, the stamp and seal that I have appeared.
Then why you have not your statement is not available in the case diary? Can you explain this?
Yes, now that is a very surprising. Like why my statement is not there? I had appeared. Now it is on the prerogative of the.
The order is
yes.
there only.
Or it is in the hands of the IO. Like why he have not stated and why he have not updated
copy
his.
Of order is available in the CD also.
No.
No. This
interim order is not available.
Interim order.
Not.
Interim order is not there.
Not available, minor. It is up to minor. Last is 26/6, man.
So on that day, this honorable court had passed the order, my lord.
26/6 itself order was passed.
Yes. Oh, yes, on 26/6. And then within 7 days, he had gone and he had appeared.
So if it is entry is 26, then his statement may not be there.
Yes, yes. And at that point of time, my lord, now we have also annexed the FIR also. Like the apprehension, why we were actually having that apprehension. The FIR is there, my lord. That is page number 7. FIR is in page number 23. 23, my lord. Of the additional affidavit, my lord. 23. So this FIR was actually lodged
That
by.
time FIR was not.
Yes, yes, because it was an apprehension on the basis of few communications was made by the CID department to me, to the petitioner, and where the petitioner had approached the CID department through two of his advocates also. And then later on, what has happened is that the CID, they did not wanted to disclose anything regarding if any material was there or if any case was registered. They just said that you need to come and appear. Now, on that particular apprehension, this honorable court was pleased to grant him interim on 26/6. And that within that period of time, that is 7 days, which was granted, he went and he appeared. In the meantime, he has also got the copy of the FIR that a case was registered on, my lord, that is dated for 10 to 2025. That is the date of the FIR. 10 to 2025, page number 23, my lord, of the additional affidavit. So here this FIR was lodged by one chief engineer of the Water Resource Department, my lord. And in this particular FIR, though he is not named, there are some other miscreants were there saying that some fake letter was generated in the name of the Water Resource Department. And then later on, this particular fake letter was used in some.
It's a very serious case of
And whether he is appearing.
Yes, yes, sir. Absolutely. And interim may be continued till that time.
heard Mr. W.R. Mehdi, the learned counsel for the petition, and also heard Mr. B. Sharma, the learned additional PP, appearing on behalf of said respondent. It's an application analysis. It is submitted by Mr. Sharma that to CDs received him is not updated one, and the last entry of the case diary is of 26/6/2025, and the statement of the petitioner is also not available in the case diary, though the interim was granted on 26/6/2025. Explain that context, Mr. Mehdi, the learned counsel for the petitioner, submitted that through additional affidavit, they have also furnished a copy of the where order of the interim period is bill, wherein the endorsement, where the seal and endorsement of who is he?
From the special, the endorsement is it is from the Office of the Special Director General of Police, CID.
Seal of Office of the, is the seal of Office of the
Special Director General of Police,
the Special Director of Police,
CID.
along with the endorsement is available. Accordingly, it is submitted by Mr. Mehdi that after obtaining the order of interim period is paid, they have already appeared within 7 days from the date of order. But surprisingly, the statement of the petitioner is not available in the case diary. Accordingly, Mr. Sharma submitted that updated case diary may be called for in this. Date updated CD be called for, the present CD may be returned, calling for the updated one. And list accordingly when it can be listed. 8/9, okay?
Minor.
8
of September.
8 of September, till then the interim be extended.
Obliged, man.
May I plead your lordship?
Yes.
Lordship, period bail application, after granting interim bail, I appeared before the IO lordship.
Here we received case diary here.
They have started submitted.
So appear for a regular bail before the learned trial court below. We are extending your interim, that is on 22/07/2025 up to 15 days. It order going to after 15 days. So what is this CS number?
Minor. Starting number 100 of 2025. That is 31/7.
31/7.
Minor.
So we are extending your 15 days up to 15 days from the date.
Objection.
Okay. This. Yes, 34.
Here,
34, no?
they have not received case there in.
The interim is not there. otherwise-
109 is there, my lord, attempt to change the
109.
my.
Yes, does when it can be.
My lord, your city from Dhubri, my lord.
It has to come from
Dhubri, my lord.
Dhubri,
26, my lord.
26th of this month.
Kindly observe.
CD not received. Issue reminder. 26.
May I appeal, Lord? Well, this is IA interlegal application for suspension of sentence, my lord. For suspension of sentence, my lord, conviction under section 304B, my lord, punishment is 7 years, my lord. And in this case, my lord, total 11 witnesses were
You have not
examined. my lord.
taken any steps for respond number 2. You have appeared for respond number 3 appeal.
No. Service not completed, no, as per.
Service not. Your service is not completed. That about tell me one thing. We have received the case record here.
LCR has come.
LCR received.
TCR received.
Sorry, TCR received. Na? One thing, one aspect is that you have not received this notice is not yet received, and that apart it may be heard together. I think with the final hearing can be listed final hearing also, but obviously respondent number 2 notice has to be there. One last order was that the applicant is directed to take fresh steps for service of notice on the respondent number 2 through Office of the Public Prosecutor. How Office of the Public Prosecutor means? He will send, or what is, I could not follow.
No, officer inside the contact yet.
No, it's not there.
No.
Only through public prosecutor. Let it be on.
It is not POXO, my lord.
No, it is not a POXO. Let it be on through jurisdictional police station. It may help us. Because till date we have not received. And then lastly, one thing. The last order was passed on 3/3/2025. But there's an office note, then on 13/5/2025, there is an office note that till then the section has not received any steps from you. You have not taken any steps in the last occasion.
They have not taken.
No, not taken.
Then, my lord, taken place.
You take steps and
No officer in charge of the man.
that may help you. You are Mr. Rahman. Part Mr. S. Rahman, the learned petition. I criminal to detail. Also, Mr. B. Sharma from the office note dated 13/5/2020, we seen that steps has not been taken against the respondent number 2. As per order dated 3/3/2025, the appellant was directed to take fresh steps. In view of this, next appellant is hereby directed to take fresh steps on the respondent number 2 through jurisdictional police station. Jurisdictional police station will be better through jurisdiction within 2/3. It is the matter according after receipt of the report or list after 4 weeks. We're listing it after 4 weeks. Take steps today or by the
36.
Six is not there. One AP look at here. Correction. No. It took the correction as How to? Okay. Oh, it took 40 minutes. So this petitioner is not appearing. Last two occasion, I think. Not last two occasion. No. Oh, since the day of filing, in fact, they have not appeared. Yes. In last 4-5 occasion, they have not appeared. 1, 2, 5 occasion. None appears on call for the petition. Heard Mr. B. Sharma, the petitioner PP appearing on behalf of respondent. It reveals from the record that since last 5 occasion, the petitioner remains silent without steps. In view of this, the present I is thereby disposed of for non-prosecution. What
Yes.
Yes.
May I please? My lord, in this case, my lord, appeal was admitted and record was called for, my lord. And after record, my lord, my IA for bail, pending disposal of the bail.
Yes, sir. What do you want to submit, Sharma? It is a case of 2025. Let the final hearing be done.
My lord, in this case, my lord, I am.
Because we'll have to do same labor again.
For hearing.
So for hearing only it can.
Only, my lord, I am saying, my lord, mail may be disposed of, my lord.
Huh?
Bail,
No,
my lord.
that is I'm not disposing it. That's what I'm saying. Will be disposed of along with the appeal because everything is ready. Record we have already received. Lady, your petitioner is in, I mean, your appellant is in custody since when?
My lord, since 3/12/2024 month. Almost, my lord,
6-7 months.
Almost, my lord, 8 months, 15 days. My lord.
There are lots of cases where there are 2 years.
Therefore, my lord, I am saying, my lord, in this case, my lord, I have gone through, my lord, with my.
No, I'm not hearing you. This one. Heard,
Only, my lord,
Mr.
bail
M.
may be.
Yeah, the learned counsel for the petitioner. And also heard Mr. B. Sharma, the learned additional PP appearing on behalf of the respondent. It is seen that the case is almost ready for final hearing as the LCR has already been received. TCR has already been received. List the matter accordingly for final hearing. Final hearing along with the criminal appeal numbers. List accordingly. Do you want any fixed date here?
My lord.
Next last part September. Last part maybe last part of the August. Last part of the Thursday or Tuesday. What he is saying that we fixed 26, 27, 28 this CBI matter continuously 3 days. It may not be possible. Otherwise, I thought of giving him last
September, man.
Agreed.
For finally.
September. Thursday. 11/9 is the hearing date. 11/9. 11. We'll heard and you just remind us in the morning hours so that matter may be heard.
Fine.
11.
Obliged.
No, why one I is there. You have filed one I also?
I file.
Oh, you have filed
Yes.
for? Then you are decide on decide, that's why I have confused.
Since CD is not available.
No, why you want to decide? You should be decide. Anyway, AB is already disposed of or not yet disposed of?
Not disposed, Lordship.
Huh?
Pending.
Pending, Lordship.
Oh, it is pending. Okay,
Interim
and
is
I
there,
was filed by
Lordship.
you.
Interim is
Why
there.
cancellation is you have given? Is there any order?
There is an interim order.
Interim order was there.
In any case, since CD is not received, let them produce the CD blood. The time of blood final.
Otherwise, there was an interim.
Yes, Lordship. Lordship, actually, section 4 of POCSO is there, and as per FIR, Lordship, her date of birth is shown as 2000.
No, we are not going to hear it. এইটো আকৌ মোৰ তাত কিয় দিলে? বুজি পোৱা নাই কি কৈ আছে, section 4 বুলি কৈছে। হা? এতিয়া যদি interim আহে, notification দিব নালাগে, যেতিয়া যাৰ তাত হয় সেনেকে কৰক দিয়া হয়। Notificationটো থাকিবই নালাগে। There should not be any notification. যাৰ তাত যেনেকে পৰে তেনেকে কৰিব। That is okay. Accept the rejection. Because notification to একো meaning ৰাখা নাই এতিয়া। Every case is and the office people are also not they are not about sure about it, they put people like they're just simply distributing the case. If that will be the position, then oh, we better to not to pass any order then. Interim was there, obviously. It is not a case of final order.
No.
You know, disposed finally, it is not disposed.
No.
So interim can be taken by any court or by the special court who is dealing with presently. So why? What is the position? Or you just confirm it why these things are happening, because if it is has to be because of the interim, then so everything every aspect will be dealt. It had to be dealt with then. What is the meaning of special and non-special? If they have made the, I mean, they passed the notification, they issued the notification that this should be go as per the notification. Otherwise, there is no use of any notification. Accept the rejection, let it be. Anyone can deal with it, but it's okay. Otherwise, what will be the position? It is just simply interim was passed. In interim case, is the section 4 was there.
Lordship.
Section 4 was there anyway, interim was there.
Then go to the appropriate bench.
Huh?
Appropriate bench.
No, I'll pass the order. No appropriate bench because office cannot understand anything. They're just simply oh.
Yes.
Please. হ'ব নালাগে কেছ আমিতো ল'বলৈ মান্তি কৰা মান্তি পোৱা নাই যদি হোৱা নাই তেতিয়া so you are না you are for the কোনটো অৰ্ডাৰ কৰিম otherwise that AB is listed on when which date today only
Today.
Today only.
Yes.
What people say, yeah.
CDA one.
People but 2020 file করা Actually, we passed the order of interim on 2003. And it was fixed for this CD and all, whatever. It wasn't fixed on this 21/4. It will. Listing of state. Updated Vishara capture in demo action no. I had to pick up hard Mr. Amuman, contemporary petitioner, and also hard Mr. Vishara. So and so. You are MS
HM.
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 Hard MS HM for it. Here, please properly. It is submitted by Mr. Mondo that the matter may be heard on receipt of the case type. Okay.
Lordship and
List accordingly along with AB number 416/20. That's what 416 hard so and so করে দিব এটো হৈছে MSH Ahmed for repetition আৰু তেখেত মণ্ডল 43 oh no he is not here খালি লিখক H Ahmed so and so submitted by Mr. Sharma that CD not received. Let a reminder be issued. From the perusal of the record, is seen that case was not put up on 21/4/2025. 25 and 25 as fixed for. There may be an inadvertently that matter may not be put up. However, considering the fact of the case, let the interim be continued till next list according
CD for 8 and
8 this one.
But where occasional CD was not placed before the court.
No several occasion.
My lord, it was sent for up-to-date, my lord. Up-to-date CD, it was sent for up-to-date, my lord, 23/2025. Then it was fixed on 8/4.
Yes, sir.
I will be contact with the personal communication. 892.
Obliged, Lordship.
This over. Yes. What do I take with it?
May I plead the Lordship? We
Yes.
filed IA for extension of time, and this honorable court already had extend the time on 23/4/2025. So the IA has already infrastructure, your Lordship.
So next date is extended till when?
They appeared in the before the
ইয়াৰ লগত AB টো আছে নেকি 623. Your I is infractious.
Yes, your
And
Lordship.
your main case is listed on
They are on interim, your Lordship.
it was supposed to fix on 16/5. It is not fixed. It was supposed to be listed on 16/5. That is not listed.
It is listed on
16/5. Which one? IA.
IA.
I 16/5. We are the point. It was a PSI order listed as 16/5, not listed. It was a 19/3. It was a 21/23/4.
Okay.
So you are on interim otherwise.
Yes, your Lordship.
The order pass. So you have, as per you have appeared already?
Yes, we appeared before
I
the
will
your
pick
Lordship.
up. You are MS?
It's Z Daisy.
Hard MS HG Daisy. Learned concept for the petition. It is, and also hard Mr. B Sharma. So it is submitted by Mr. MS Daisy that this interlocutory application was filed for extension of time for their appearance, but that has already been extended in connected AB number 6223 of 2020, and accordingly, this petition has already become notice. Next, in view of this, the IA stands disposed of on being on being AB to click on Regunai Hard MSH HDG. Council for a petition also heard B. Sharma. What is the position?
No, CD not.
CD not received. Reminder. Let the matter be listed on 8/9/2025. Till then, interim be extended. Okay, your interim is extended till 8/9.
Okay, oblige your lordship.
Okay. Mr. Mr. Bothakur, we had one case there where Mr. Som was there.
Yes,
So now they're saying that they have already filed one. You are appearing for Som.
she wants to
This is the last. We are not rising in it at 2.
Yes, Lord.
Because we had made an inquiry and it is found that we have till now you have not filed your affidavit.
Yes, Lord.
So why some wrong assumption was there in the morning hours?
Lordship, there are some mistake, Lordship. Kindly
See,
allow-
you are this kind of practice, you avoid this kind of practice, huh? Ask your senior also to avoid this kind of practice. I repeatedly asked twice, have you filed your affidavit? Yes, it has already been filed. Because I thought that there may not be filed, so we'll give you a date. Because from your side, it was submitted that it has already been filed. Why you make such kind of submission? It should not be.
I beg
Make a fair submission. It is okay. You may not file, you could not file. We may list the matter tomorrow, but day after tomorrow, that is okay. But why are you filing these things or things?
I beg Lordship.
Kindly
Kindly allow.
Yes?
Kindly allow for withdrawal, Lordship.
Now you want to withdraw this one?
Yes, Lordship. It's just instruction by my senior Lordship.
Regarding
Yes, Bothakur, anything?
regarding this case, already we have received from Panbagar police.
No, they were saying that it is not Pan Bazar, but should be Kokrajhar. That morning hours. I thought that yes, maybe there may be some wrong instruction, maybe there may not be correct. So I thought that there may be a modification or correction may be there. But now yes, you have not filed your affidavit. We just inquired the matter, between Mr. Burwa. He said that till now we didn't get any information regarding the filing of any affidavit. On the morning hours, it was repeatedly asked and it was told that yes, we have already filed.
We was
You
filed.
are Mr. C. T. Soot.
As
Soot, appearing on behalf of Mr. MST So. So and so. It is submitted and as per instructions of her client, she wants to withdraw it. Disposed of. Yes. How much?
Dear Lordship. Lordship, this IFR correction of
It was for correction.
correction, Lordship. In the first title, Lordship, it's real number of the respondent, Lordship. It should be real number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's a longly written, Lordship, 5, 6, 7.
Oh, acha, only 4 is true inside. That means your respondents numbering will also be changed.
Change, Lordship.
Now it will be has to be considered 1, 2, 3,
4,
4,
5,
5,
6.
and 6 only.
Lordship.
You don't have any objection, I think.
Accordingly, Lordship, in paragraph number 3, 4, 6, and 8, these serial numbers of the respondents have been
Oh, acha, paragraph number 3.
3, 4, 6, and 8.
Oh, then you have to. Actually, what I'm say that better to, I think, because every correction will be definitely. You can withdraw due to some technical irregularity and can be file a fresh item because same labor you have to do. Because you have to stay made all corrections and all correction you cannot be allowed. Nowadays the handwritten correction is also not allowed. Handwritten correction is also not allowed nowadays. So you have to type the whole copy. I'm just asking, suggesting you. That may be one of the aspects because otherwise you have to file the entire cost title, not only cost title. I thought it was a cost title, but it is 3, 4, 5, every paragraph has to be changed because numbering is not there proper. Otherwise, it's up to you because you have to file an entire amended copy. It will not the case that it will be only the cost title will be changed. It's not the
Amended copy up to cost title up to career portion lordship. Amended petition.
up to
Career portion lordship.
paragraph portion.
Career last before affidavit lordship. This petition may be amended.
Up to prayer portion.
Lordship.
Then entire thing is amended. That's what I'm saying. Better to withdraw, I think. You can file it tomorrow or day after tomorrow. It's okay. Now, criminal aptitude kiba hoise ni? WP. You were asked to take steps. They have already appeared.
But they already not.
You are appealing for whom now?
Respondent number 1, 3,
1, 2, 3, and 4. So 5 and 6, as per this, are the private respondent?
Private respondent.
Oh, that may be one of the aspects. They have already appeared. Mr. MJ Shah.
Lordship.
I would heard Mr. MJ Shah, the learned counsel. I also heard MS Deka, I think, or Gogo, sorry. Also heard MS R Gogo, the learned government advocate representing the respondent number 1, 2, 3. But 4 is not there. Now you are saying 4. Otherwise, it should be 1, 2, 3, and 5, I think, na?
Yes.
Earlier, yes.
Earlier 5.
1, 2, 3, and 5, bracket 3 and 5. Full stop. It is submitted by Mr. Shah that inadvertently the numbering of the respondents were not correct, and the petition, the respondents ought to have been numbered as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Accordingly, same mistake has been made in the paragraph number 3, 4, and
3,
4,
4, 6, and 8.
6 and 8. 3, 4, 6, and 8. And prayer portion?
Prayer portion, prayer
Prayer is also
page number 10.
and in the prayer portion. Accordingly, he submitted that he may be allowed to file and amended copy of the writ petition with proper with corrected the numbering of correct number of the respondents. MS Gogo, there is no objection in that. Accordingly, the present I is allowed, and the petitioner is hereby directed to to file an amended copy of the writ petition with proper and correct numbering of the respondents. With this above objection, the I stands disposed of to read appealed in view of Hart Swenson in view of order passed in I criminal for 2564 25. The petitioner is thereby directed to file amended or the modified copy of the writ petition, and also to furnish the copy of the same to the respondent side. Further, he is directed to take fresh steps on the respondent number 5 and 6. 5 and 6 here. Right. List accordingly after 4 weeks will be list accordingly after. You have already submitted your any written of you have filed?
we have received the police report. We have sent the affidavit for swearing. We will file in on the
within 2 weeks. You have already received your pairwise comment and all?
Yes, police affidavit we have received.
Acha.
Investigation report.
Investigation.
Yes, sir. Accordingly, we have prepared the affidavit. We have sent it for swearing.
Oh, list after 2 weeks, enabling the respondent number 1, 2, 3, and 4. 3 and 4 to file their written affidavit in opposition event.
Same correction will be as in the synopsis document.
Huh?
In the synopsis portion, Lordship, the respondent number 6 and 6.
Up to you. Yes.
Lordship,
I
item
think
number
this
8, Lordship, kindly allow liberty for face file, Lordship.
No, see, this is not a case for liberty because you were filed some with some these things. No, you are always at liberty. It's no issue. No issue will be there because your petition is there is an apprehension of arrest in connection with any case which may have been, I mean, it might have lost in the FIR. So till now, it's not no cases there. So you are at liberty. No issue. That
I'm
will
okay.
not, I mean, trouble you anyway.
Obviously, Lordship.
So today I'm list is over. I'm now doing my homework. Yesterday we reached, I reached by 9:30 only from there. Oh, not.